In this video we are going to show you how to remove the command unit from Mercedes SL550 2013, which is similar to some other years. We already made everything loose, by the way. This is just for the demonstration only, and the tools that you need is this Phillips, I'm sorry, not Phillips, the Torx screwdriver, the size T20, and the dashboard removal tool. In the first step, you need to pop out the side panels. This one you pop it open. You can just use your phone, your fingers, and then pop it open. And then you go in the back seat. Behind the passenger seat, you pop this cover and you put it on the side, and then you pop open the side cover. And in the front, you just pop it open, and then you slide it toward yourself, and that's it. It comes off. And these are, as you can see, these are the clips which you have to slide it toward yourself, and it comes off. And you need to do the same thing for the passenger side. For the driver's side panel, the difference is you just have to pull the steering wheel forward, and then you pop up the cover under the cluster, which goes over the steering wheel column, and then you just drop the bottom cover under the steering column. Basically, you separate it from the side panel, and then you remove the side panel just like we did on the passenger side. You go in the back seat, you dislocate it, and then you just slide it out. Now in this step, we are going to remove the whole AC control panel, which is part of the bezel for the command unit. It has 4 screws size T20 on each side. The 3 screws on the top, we just remove them, these 3, but the last screw on the bottom, it's attached to one bracket, so you have to hold the bracket in and just remove the screw. So make sure you put this bracket back when you install it, and you do the same thing on the driver's side. 4 screws, and the last one has the bracket. And once you get all these 8 screws out, size T20 Torx, and then you can remove the whole panel around the command unit. But before you do that one, make sure you cover your cup holder compartment so you won't get the scratches. First open up the glove box compartment, and then insert your dashboard removal tool behind the panel and just put it toward yourself. And you need to do the same thing for both sides. Just little by little, just pry it out. And once you dismount it, it has 3 connectors in the back, which you need to disconnect. And to remove the connector, you just have to push the clip inward to remove it, and the last one you just have to slide it out. It has like a half moon shaped clip. Now we are going to remove the command unit. Command unit has 2 mounting brackets which is holding it in, and there are one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. You just need to loosen the Torx screws. You do not need to remove the screws completely. You just loosen it counterclockwise all the way until it's just wobbling around. And then you do the same thing for the driver's side also. And once those 2 mounting brackets are loose, and then you can pull the command unit forward, bring it forward like about an inch or two, and then you disconnect the connector for the hazard switch and the seat warmer panel assembly under the command unit. And this piece comes separate from the command unit. In case if you need to ship your command unit for repair, you can remove this hazard switch assembly with the seat warmer. It has 4 screws. You can just remove it and then install it back in the vehicle, so your hazard switch works while you send your command unit for repair. And then in the back of the command unit, and these are the connectors which we already disconnected it. Just show it to you. Yeah, the only tricky part to remove this big connector, it has a little tab. You just have to push this clip and then rotate the tab in order to get it out. And the rest of the connectors, you just have to use a small screwdriver and then push the clip inward and then just slide it out, and that's it. If you need any repair for the command unit, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. And also, the common problem with this command units, they usually reboot, Mercedes logo coming up, and then the radio starts working, and then it goes through the whole cycle again and keeps rebooting. Or sometimes the screen is black, or there is no audio at all. It could be caused by the command unit. Thank you.